Unlock the power of digital product management with ProductDyno, the all-in-one solution for scaling your business. With agency-level features like 10 sub-accounts for seamless client management, it streamlines operations while ensuring legal compliance and top-tier security. Stay ahead of the competition with unmatched flexibility, scalability, and support. ProductDyno doesn't just help you deliver products, it transforms your entire digital business. Ready to elevate your offerings? Try ProductDyno today. For complete details on ProductDyno, you'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's explore what this product is all about and how it can help you.
Okay, so here we are in the dashboard of ProductDyno. Now, please bear in mind, I am going to keep this light and to the overview, otherwise we would be here forever because there is so much in ProductDyno that I can't possibly go through everything. So I want to just give you a taste of how it all works out. So the business intelligence page is giving us information about our current numbers. And this is a launch that I did recently using ProductDyno. The whole launch took me a couple of days to set up. The actual ProductDyno part of setting it up, which setting up the products themselves and the collection and the funnel and the integration, took less than 2 hours because it is so easy to do on ProductDyno. So rather than look at the tools themselves straight away, what I want to do is pop over and actually have a look at the product itself. Now, the important thing to understand here is we're not looking at a single product. We're looking at a collection of products, i.e. my full funnel. So Easy Traffic Bot, the first one here is the front end product. Then the Done For You Marketing GPT Ideas is the first upsell. The GPT Boost is the second upsell. The bonus reports are bonus reports that go along with the front end offer. So they always get included. And then the last one is the final upsell, which is the product creation workshop. Now you'll notice next to some of these, like this one and the GPT Boost, it says buy now rather than start, and that's because this particular customer only bought the front end offer, the first upsell, and obviously got the bonuses. So if they then click on the button here to go and look at this, instead of taking them to the content, it's going to take them to the sales page for that particular upsell. So this is one of the ideas behind collections within ProductDyno. Instead of just having individual products, you can set up your whole funnel and someone that can then see the other offers, the other upsells in the funnel and have another chance to go and buy those, increasing your sales, increasing your conversions, increasing your bottom line. So let's quickly pop into Easy Traffic Bot itself. And you can see this is a simple product with a series of video training. So if I click on the second one here, video number 2, that simply takes us through to that particular video. So there's the video training, any related links and documents to go with it. And the person can then move on through the different videos in the training by using the links at the top, or simply use the back button and then on to the next lesson. So a very simple way of delivering your products, and it's very, very easy to set up. I'll show you that briefly in a moment or two, but that is the idea behind having products within a collection. Again, I'll show you how that's set up in just a few minutes. Okay, so now I'm in ProductDyno itself in the dashboard area of the system, and I'm in the products area, which is where you control, add, create all your different products. There is also collections available as well, which we'll have a look at in a moment or two. And in a moment, I will show you a brief overview of creating a new product. But if I scroll down, you can see all the different products that I have available here, and you can search for different ones. You can sort them in different orders, etc. But let's click on Create Product, and you can see that we have different formats and templates available for different types of products, just to make it really easy again to get up and running. So you've got video courses, downloadable files, video training portal, membership sites, lead magnets, etc. If we went for online course and give it a name, so I'm going to go with GPT Mastery, then click on Continue, and this is where you have total control over the setup and integrations for your products. Again, I'm not going to show you absolutely everything in here, it would take too long. Domain and access is where you can set up your subdomain or your own bespoke domain for logon. Content Designer I will briefly bring up, simply to show you that you have control over every aspect of how your product looks and feels. And for the design option, if we click on General, you can see we've got the option to change the theme. There are a bunch of themes set up in the system for you. Now this is normally an add-on, but as a VIP Platinum member, you're going to get all these themes built into the system for you, so you can choose these, and it makes it really, really quick and easy to get your membership area set up using these predefined themes that are built in. And obviously you also have control over things like your logos, the typography, colors, navigation links, footer links, you can add banners in and all sorts of extra things to make sure that every aspect of your membership site is monetized with extra banners, extra offers, extra links to affiliate programs and things like that. But I'll leave it there for that. Let's come back out. Emails and more is where you set up your emails that deliver the logon information and things like that, password reset, etc. to your members. Payment gateways is where you set up the platform that you're going to integrate with: Stripe, PayPal, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, etc. And there is a long list of payment gateways that you can use built in or integrated with the system, as well as using ProductDyno itself. You don't need to use a third-party platform such as JVZoo or Warrior Plus. You can actually just use ProductDyno with Stripe or PayPal if you want to. Integrations is where you can set up extra integrations such as your autoresponder or webinar service and things like that. Licensing is where you can set up licensing for apps, for WordPress plugins, for software, and that's all built in and taken care of for you by ProductDyno. Members is where you can manage your members, you can upgrade people, you can remove access for them, you can add members if you want to. Pages is where you can build out all sorts of different pages within the system. Again, if I click on Create New, simply to show you that there are a whole selection of templates built in. So you can simply pick one of these templates, edit it quickly and easily using copy and paste, drag and drop interface to change it to suit your particular landing page, your sales page, your download page, your thank you page, etc. So these are all built in for you, so you're not starting from scratch. It's very easy to pick one of the existing ones and edit them, or you can start from blank if you want to. Then we have the option for adding coupons, so you can offer discount coupons, any percentage you want to, including 100% discount coupons. So if you want to make a offer that you're providing that is a paid product, you want to make it look really valuable and give someone a 100% discount coupon so that they actually feel they're really getting value, because it's not just a free bonus, it's actually a paid product, but you're giving it them to free. You can set up a 100% discount coupon for that. You can also obviously choose the language that the system uses. You can choose to enable search, so people can search through your content quickly. The rest of the options here are to do with the add-on upgrades that you can get. So distribute is part of the agency add-on. And if we scroll down, there is the discussion, direct messaging, progress tracker, quizzes, and certificate, which are part of the LMS learning management system add-on that you can get. Then the Wombat is the viral referral word of mouth system that will get you more leads coming into your system referred by your existing members. So that again is an add-on option. So I won't actually cover those. So that's the product setup area of the system. And there is a lot in there, but you don't need to use it all. Just use the bits that you want to for the moment. And it is very quick and easy to set up products in there. Also, once you've set up your first one, you can actually duplicate it, so you can use your first one as a clone and then just make changes to it for your next product. So it makes it even quicker and easier to get your following products up and running. But let's head over and have a look at the collections level instead. Okay, so let's pull up one of my products. Let's go into Easy Traffic Bot, click on Manage, and if we go into the Content Designer, this is where I can add new products to this collection. So this is the list of products currently in the collection, and you can see that most of these are not hidden to non-buyers. So anybody who hasn't bought the second upsell will see this as an option, and they'll see the Buy Now link, and they can click on that and go through to the sales page. But there are a couple here which I've hidden to non-buyers because they're exclusive offers that I've run on certain deals where most people don't get to see them, so they are private, so I hide those as well. If we wanted to add a new product to this, simply click on Add Product and choose the product from your drop-down list, and it will add it into the products available within this collection. It really is that simple to set up collections and have all your products within a particular collection for that funnel effectively. While we're here, we'll also have a very quick look at the payment gateways that are available. Obviously, you can use ProductDyno as your payment gateway itself. And if you do, there are all sorts of checkout templates available, again, built in for you with really good templates that you can use an existing one, you can tweak it, you can make changes to it, you can make sure that it suits your brand and your offer. But what I'm actually going to do is go with the third-party checkouts and simply click on Add Payment Gateway so that you can see the ones that we have available are ClickBank, ClickFunnels, Convertri, Digistore 24, Flipguardian, GrooveSell, Gumroad, JVZoo, Offline, Paddle, PayKickstart, Samcart, Thrivecart, Warrior Forum, Warrior Plus, and Zaxa. So there's quite a wide variety of payment gateways there. If there's something that you use that isn't on that list, do feel free to get in touch with Promote Labs and ask them whether they can add it in for you. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there for product and collections. The important bit to grasp here is that as well as creating individual products, you can create these collections of products that are effectively your funnel for your whole offer, and you can use them as bonus collections as well, so that you're putting paid offers in front of people that have just signed up for a bonus to make sure that they upgrade and buy extra things. So it's a really great way of grouping products together. It can be by niche, it can be by offer, all sorts of different ways, whatever works for you, but it's a great way of putting extra offers in front of every buyer or every lead that you generate within the ProductDyno system. And it's an extremely powerful way of generating more commissions, more sales, and more profits at the end of the day. So Nick James says you can even use ProductDyno to set up your own video on demand business, similar to Netflix, using their expiring content feature. Yeah, there's a feature to drip content. There's a feature for content to expire after a certain period of time. Nick goes on to say, no wonder we've moved all our product delivery securely over to ProductDyno. He's a big fan of the system and he uses it in a new way that other people hadn't been using it. So there are different ways that you can use it depending on how your business works. Then we have Marek Brzezina. ProductDyno has been the best decision that I've ever made in my business. My entire business is finally powered by ProductDyno. I'm so happy that my product files are completely protected by having the membership access. It's the most amazing thing online that I've ever seen. Then we have Andy Brocklehurst. He says, ProductDyno is so good that I've been migrating as many of my products as I can into it. So far, I've got 65 products and 15 collections and can honestly say that this is the best product delivery and member system I've used in my 18 years online. They have the most complete list of integrations I've seen and everything just works. Pablo Garcia says, I've been using ProductDyno since a few years back, and all I can say is a big thank you. Very easy to use and very intuitive for the student. And the option to have courses outside the platform like a paywall, it is wonderful. And Myron Bernard, this is a powerful membership and delivery system for product creators to sell their products with security and ease of use. And I'm just getting started. I've had most of the membership tools. This one is a winner and still evolving. And that's very true. ProductDyno is something that keeps developing. The team at Promote Labs listen to their members, they listen to their users, and they keep adding things in all the while. And this is your chance to join the ProductDyno family today and at a massive discount. So scroll down the page, click on the button and join us inside ProductDyno right now. Thanks very much for watching.